Hello teacher and everyone, my name is Lan from today or a book. Animal eyes. Animal eyes. You use for your eyes to see. Animals use their eyes to see too. Animal eye can be small or large. Some animal eyes can look at very straight. What animal has eyes that look like this? A spider does. It has 8 eyes that look like little dots. Most spiders can't see very clearly, but many spiders are very good at seeing things move. What animal has eyes that look like this? This owl does. Its eyes help it see well at night. An owl cannot move its eyes. It must turn its head to look around. What animal had eyes that look like this? That kind of lizard does. Each eye can look in a different place. The left eye sees on things, the right eye sees something different at the same time. What animal had eyes that look like? It's
dragonfly.
Its dragonfly had eyes that are made of many tiny eyes. Dragonflies are very good at seeing things move. Use your eyes to see all animal eyes around you. Goodbye.